In this video, I will show you how to make Ethernet cable through using RJ45 connector. Slice the cable with the crimping tool about ½ inch. So I slice this cable and separate all cables and cut this white insulation. So as you can see, I used my side cutter to cut this white insulation. After this, you need to separate all cables and and make this color coding according to the connection. So as you can see, this is our connection, which is orange white orange, green white blue, blue white green, and brown white brown. So as you can see, I already arranged these cables according to connection, and see how much you need to cut these cables. So take your RJ45 and insert the cables inside the and crimp this RJ45 using crimper tool. And in the last step, you need to check this connection is good or not. So take your LAN tester or network tester and insert your cable in it and press this button. As you can see, our connection is perfectly fine. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and press the bell icon. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and press the bell icon.